Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today we are unboxing the MISIRUN Smart Watch 1.28. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. We have already opened the box from Amazon, and when we open it, you will see 3 large plastic bubbles. Then you will see inside the box of our MISIRUN Smart Watch. And the box comes with a receipt from Amazon. Then here in the box, we have written MISIRUN that you can see on the front of the box. On the back, you can see the parameter such as sleep monitor, sports, alarm clock, stopwatch, message, pedometer, call reminder, and calories. And okay guys, that's it. Let's open the little box. When he opened the small box, you will see the warranty card there. Then you will see the smartwatch strap, then the charger cable, and lastly this manual or catalog.